Thank you. The skirt is long, the skirt is beautiful, the skirt is the movement, the skirt is so tea. And like, look at that back. So I pair it with this white top and this crop top, but I'm going to like eventually open it just to take pictures. But for now, I'm trying to be conservative, a little bit conservative, but it's so cute. I love it. Get you some Amina.
But this is an artwork. It doesn't have it. I mean, it's more.
Oh, to make it realistic, but parts of it is real.
Yeah, that's skin.
Wow. Oh, that's a.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Does it tell you where it came from? Oh, India and Nepal. Oh, so these are not from Ghana.
Yes.
I get it. Wow, this is cool. What's this? Ah. Interesting. Good morning.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm pretty it's nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Guys, you're welcome to the first park. Your tour here will be self-guided. You explore 3 places here and then you move to the next park.
Okay.
So we have the ant cave and the aviary. Is that way? So you follow the pathway.
So there's a lot of ants?
No, it's like a man-made ant cave.
Oh,
So
okay.
the ants, they are not real. Yes. And then the aviary. And then where the gentleman is seated is a feeding spot. So you feel the emus and the wears over there.
Okay.
Like that's the emu. The brown one. You can use this bed nest or the other one for your picture. So anywhere you want to take your picture.
Okay.
And then maybe you want some snacks, popcorn, coffee, you get something to buy from the diner. 3 games in the park that you can also play before or after the tour. All depends on you.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
with
So
the
we'll go this
tour,
way.
you can start with the ant cave.
Okay. Thank you. There's a lot of animals. What is that? Guinea fowl? She says man-made ants. The way I don't like ants. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Thank
This
you.
is going this way.
Okay.
We'll start with the ant cave first. Okay. So my name is Harriet and I'll be taking you through the ant cave.
Okay.
First things first, there are no ants in the ant cave.
Okay.
But it's just to give us an idea about what the interior of an ant hill looks like.
Okay.
So as we go in, visibility is quite poor. We have lights in there, but it's quite poor. You can use your flashlight to aid better visibility. And then kindly watch your step. It's quite slippery at some point, so
Really? I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared, just come in.
It's dark.
The lights here, but it's just with the low. All right, so kindly go back to the welcome gate where I met you, and then we'll take you to the aviary.
Okay. Okay. I'm ready.
You're ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm sure you came in because of our breast. You look
Yeah, I came here for the birds.
You should just stretch out your hand. Sunny! Sunny is playing, he will not come. Set this one to you.
There's so many of them.
They are now coming in.
Ah! Coming Mother Nature. One is on my head. You see, one is on my head.
Yes.
Dude, this one matched me. Hi. They left me because I don't have food. You guys are traitors. You know that?
They have to come to this one. They won't bite your fish. So we show them the cup and eat from the cup.
Wait. Hold on. Did I grab one more? Come on, come eat. So we're on our way now to see the zebras and the rest of the wildlife. Is that a pig? That's so cool.
animal over there is called impala from South Africa.
I've heard of impalas.
And from here to down there is amusement park. We have a park too where you get to see meerkats, alpaca, miniature horses, and elands. And we have
Hello.
Hi. You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is the good version.
The lamb or goat? Ooh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. You guys have a vibe. Safari fried rice. And these are just sides, avocado salad, coleslaw. Shiitake and green chili. We got dessert, yogurt cake. Wow. Isn't that flan or whatever they call it? You dropped it? I'm so full. The food was good. It was actually delicious.